Hello, my name is Kohar Hajakian. I'm a visionary and detail oriented fashion stylist with hands on experience in editorial, commercial, and runway styling. My passion lies in conceptualizing and executing creative looks that are perfectly aligned with brand identity. Over the years, I have developed expertise in fashion, trend analysis, color theory, visual storytelling, and on-set styling. I also thrive in collaboration with designers, photographers, and creative directors to bring high fashion looks to life. My mission is simply yet powerful. I want to help people dress with confidence and curiosity. I encourage bold choices that bring joy and reflect each person's unique energy and spirit. My vision is to grow a brand that empowers women to feel expressive and authentic, offering style that connects with who they are today and who they are becoming. When I think about my ideal client, one name comes to mind: Kim Kardashian. She embodies confidence, reinvention, and the ability to use fashion as a tool for storytelling. I aspire to style women who want to explore their individuality through clothing and embrace fashion as a form of self expression. Let me share an example of a personal styling project. Veronica wanted to build a wardrobe that was simply minimalistic yet elegant and sporty, something that would also serve her future career needs. With a $2,000 budget, our focus was on timeless, high quality pieces that required minimal shopping. The goal was a refined, functional wardrobe that reflected her love for simplicity and effortless style. Every styling journey I created is guided by mood boards. Allow us to visualize the look and direction before finalizing selections. Once the concept is clear, we bring it to life in the final photo shoot, capturing not just outfits but the personality and story behind them. Fashion for me is more than just a clothing. It is a language of empowerment, confidence, and creativity. I'm excited to continue building connections, creating powerful visual stories, and helping clients express themselves through style. Thank you for your time and look forward to collaborating and bringing more creative visions to life.